Hello and welcome to the formative assessment for investigation 1 video. So this is just an extra one that I'm going to put with lesson 6, but this would really kind of be this arrow down here. So after they checked with the experts, had a negotiation, made their claim, now they're going to do a little formative assessment, and this should be another day in your classroom that might take a decent amount of time, might take a full lesson, um, because it's furthering their understanding of negotiation. And we give them a prompt. Says in this picture above, the sun is setting, going down at the end of the day. Will the sun go down the same place tomorrow? Claim 1, no, the sun goes down in different places every day. Claim 2, yes, the sun sets at the same place every day. So you're going to ask them if they support claim 1 or 2, with claim 2 being the correct answer. But the purpose here is not just to say, okay, are you right or wrong? We want to see if they can explain why. So they're going to say, I support claim 1 or 2. Let's say they say claim 2. Down here, I support it because I read that the sun sets in the west in the same spot in my check with the experts, or I saw my shadow move when I did the experiment, something like that. And then this is important. Why do you not support the other claim? Because when you make a scientific claim, you should have both evidence to back your claim, and you should also be able to refute the claims of others. So we want them to think about why this other one is not right. So, they could just have something like, the sun's going to set in the west all the time. It's not going to change where it sets. And with this, it's more of, the west versus the east, not at the exact place, because depending on where you're standing on Earth, it might look like it's setting in a different place. So we want to kind of focus on east versus west. So that is this little form of assessment you'll do at the end. But definitely you would want, especially this being the first investigation, this is a great lesson that not only can you teach some content of the sun setting and how it moves and its position changes, but also the process of a scientific argument.